Hello there, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I want to take a look at the month of July, see what's coming for the month of July. The month of May was challenges with the mass shootings, and then the month of June we had the Supreme Court justices making the decision concerning Roe v. Wade and other things. So let's see if things are going to get any quieter for the month of July. Let's see what we're looking at for the month of July. All right, Spirit, give us a message for the collective for the month of July. What is it that you would like for us to know that's upcoming for the month of July, Spirit? Month of July. What can the collective expect for the month of July? Month of July. And the collective expect to see coming for the month of July. Of course, this is a general reading, and this is also for entertainment purposes only. For entertainment purposes only. So let's see what Spirit wants us to know. Energies around the month of July. Okay, at the bottom of the deck we have the Hangman, which talks about things moving slowly, also gaining a new perspective, or even it can even be about sacrifice at times. So let's see what the cards say here. First card we have up is the Chariot. The Chariot. Now this is about movement. Normally successful movement. So let's see what else comes up here. We have the Seven of Wands. The Seven of Wands. This is about someone standing their ground. About standing your ground. Okay, let's pull a few more here. We have the Empress showing up here. We have the Empress. We also have the Six of Swords. Five of Wands. Page of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. The Magician, King of Pentacles, and the Three of Cups. Okay, now we may need to do some clarifiers as we move along here, see exactly what Spirit is telling us at the moment, the energies that are around us right now. It looks like there's some movement concerning women now. Of course, this could be concerning Roe v. Wade, but let's just take a look, a general look over the page. And I see that there's some movement concerning women, but I also see here that maybe the Supreme Court, of course, they're going to try to stand their ground. And I have the Empress here. The Empress is showing up with, in this particular case, there are two women showing up here. The Empress is all about abundance and creativity and that kind of thing. And then we have the Six of Swords right next to this. Now, Six of Swords here, as you can see, there's more movement there. there is like movement to higher ground. And I get the feeling from this particular, this first row here, that we are talking about women helping other women as the Supreme Court stands its ground, and they're even helping other women to move around. And maybe there are some men that are also helping them to move around. With this Chariot and this Six of Swords here, both of these cards are about movement. So the women are finding ways to maybe move or go somewhere else to get the services that they need. And this is about, when I look at this Empress here, I am seeing that she is definitely the older, or the taller woman. It seems like she's helping a younger person to get help, to find movement. And there may be even some men that are going to step up and help in these situations also. So I'm seeing that here also as I look at these cards. But I do see that the Supreme Court it's biding its time. They're going to stand their ground there. Okay, so here we have the Five of Wands. This has caused, and there may be even more chaos coming concerning this, or we never know what else is going to come up. But there's going to be a lot of conflict and chaos with that Five of Wands. And I also get that, people are looking at the Supreme Court. Like, what are we going to do about these people up in here making these decisions like this? So people are really upset about that. And there is maybe even going to be some chaos within between the justices and that kind of thing. But definitely something going on within the court. Within the Supreme Court, as things move along, there's a lot of chaos going on up there. We have the Page of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles brings us news, money news. It's also about beginning. So we may find out something about about money that's had something to do maybe with this decision. Then we have the Three of Pentacles here. And I look at this card as someone, or, there may be some things going on and people may be jailed. This could be something totally different. It could be the January 6th committee, maybe something happening with that and someone is jailed. The Three of Pentacles, this is about, people working together. But this card doesn't give me a feeling of happily working together. This card gives me a feeling of someone putting up a wall between them and someone else. So, I get the feeling that something's going to happen with people being locked up, and I'm sure it has something to do with the politics of what's going on, with the J6 or whatever else is coming along here. And it does have something to do with, there will be some chaos surrounding it. And we have the Magician here. Now the Magician tells us that we have all the tools we need to do what we need to do. So I think some things are going to be happening, maybe some changes. There are going to be some things unexpected happening concerning some of the bills or the laws that are being passed now. I get the feeling that there is like we don't see it, but there is something bigger going on here. There's something bigger. I look at that I think that's an eagle there, and I look at that as telling us that something bigger is happening right now that we don't see. But there is something else going on, and things will change, but it has to be played out. Whatever's going on has to be played out the way it's being played out right now. But we're kind of left in the dark trying to figure out what is going on with everything that's happening around us right now that's causing all this chaos. Then we have the King of Pentacles showing up here. We have the King of Pentacles showing up. And, of course, he's about stability, groundedness, making sure that financial futures are as they should be, security, that kind of thing. And the last card I have up here, guys, is the Three of Cups. Three of Cups. And you can see that there are women celebrating here. Women celebrating. So when I see women celebrating, the majority of the women don't like the decision that came down, but it looks like something is going to cause them to celebrate. So there is going to be some change. But as I look over, and I am going to do some clarifiers, so I hope you guys will hang in here with me. But as I look over the overall message here, I do see women helping women. I even see men coming into play and helping. I see that the Supreme Court, this decision that was made with this Seven of Wands showing up here, I feel that yes, they're, you know, they can't go back now. They're gonna stand their ground. But it's just a matter of time. When I look at this clock back here, I feel like it's just a matter of time before something happens concerning this ruling. Also, people are moving around. They're moving around to get, women are moving around to get what they need, and women are helping women. And in the second row here, I see that there's a lot of chaos going on. There is some money news coming out. There is maybe something going on as far as maybe people being locked up. That is something that we may see coming the month of July. People are going to be locked up. There's a wall. There's a wall that is hard to penetrate here. So people normally, they are cooperating here with this Three of Pentacles. With this particular one, there's a wall built up. So I don't see that there's going to be cooperation in some cases. And like I said, I'm good. The feeling with this Magician card I get here is that this is a bigger thing going on now around us, that, and we can't see the whole picture, but things are happening the way that they should, and there's a larger energy that's surrounding this whole thing. Everything that's going on, there's a larger energy in play here. Now, the King of Pentacles shows up. Somebody that likes structure. He's all about the money. He's all about security and that kind of thing. Now, that could go either way. When we talk about security, what is he securing? Normally, he's a leader, and a strong leader. So this may be someone that may, someone that's a leader that may show up that will help the women come to some kind of a celebration concerning what has been going on here. This could even be, sometimes I see this as a Democratic Party here, you know, so they could be celebrating there also, okay? Like I said, with that Hangman at the bottom, it could also be about things moving slowly. Things could be moving slowly right now. I really don't have any fast action cards. The Chariot doesn't move very fast, although it's successful. And you can see that these people in the boat here, they're moving, but they're, you know, they're on they're in the water, rough waters, and they're trying to get to smoother water. So, but not a lot of movement. Okay, let's see what else. Let's clarify some things. I want to clarify. Let's clarify that Seven of Wands there. What's going on, Spirit, with the Seven of Wands? Give me more information, Spirit, concerning the Seven of Wands. Wow, and we have the Tower, guys. The Tower. There's something going on there. And like I said, I think that this is Seven of Wands is definitely talking about the Supreme Court. There's going to be a big shakeup there. Definitely, there's going to be a big shakeup going on within the Supreme Court in some kind of way. I don't know exactly what it is. We may have to take another look at some other things, some other people on the court. But yeah, they're standing their ground. But I do see that there's going to be some kind of a shakeup there. I'm going to now take a look at, let's see, what's going on, Spirit, with the Six of Swords, that movement to higher ground that I'm seeing there. What's going on with the Six of Swords? All right, Six of Swords, Spirit, Six of Swords, what's going on? Okay, we have the Four of Wands. The Four of Wands. Fours are all about structure. Again, when you see a four, it's, you know, it's about structure, boundaries, that kind of thing. And I see some, the woman here, you know, that maybe feels that they're defeated or whatever, but I see some angelic help coming in here. As you can see, the angels there at the top, while the woman is resting there. She's surrounded by the lights, and the angels there are watching over her. So I do see help coming concerning this situation with women, or women are going to play a big part in whatever is happening in the month of July. And I think this is probably because of the fact that of this decision that's been made. They're not going to sit back and just let things happen. Okay, so now let's clarify that Five of Wands. Clarify that Five of Wands, where there is conflict going on. It's like, I'll show you the Five of Wands again. Now it looks like some men are on fire here, and there's conflict going on. They look like they're tied up, you know, and sometimes I feel like, you know, when it comes to the Supreme Court, sometimes there are actions going on behind the scenes that we don't know about, and maybe they are feeling like they are chained and tied to this decision. This is something they had to do, maybe even to save themselves. Who knows? But let's see. Give me more information, Spirit, on that Four of Wands with the chaos happening there. The men all tied up in chains. The devil over them. Give me more information on that, Spirit. What is going on with that Five of Wands? Five of Wands. We have the Four of Swords. We have the Four of Swords, and you can see there that there is a woman laying there, resting. It looks like one sword has been used, and three are standing there, are ready to fall at any moment. So this is the women. This is the women that are really, really upset, and they can see that, you know, they have been stabbed. We're talking about boundaries again. They have these fours. We're talking about boundaries, and they have crossed the line. I think that they feel that the Supreme Court has crossed the line in this case. They may be down, but they're not out. So that's what I'm getting with that. Now, let's see what we get with this Page of Pentacles. Let's clarify this Page of Pentacles, Spirit. See what's happening with this Page of Pentacles. Pages bring messages. And in this case, it's a message concerning money. So, but he looks like he is working on something here. He has some news coming that he's working on that we may not. There's a lot of fire around him. Okay, this one jumped out. Ace of Swords. The message that he is bringing is a message of truth. This Ace of Swords is about truth. This is something that he's going to bring the truth about money. Whatever money is going on, we're going to find out something about money coming up in the month of July. The truth about the money. Now, this could, of course, when we talk about money, when it comes to things like politics, it could be any kind of money concerning a whole lot of things. But something's going to come out. We're going to find out something about some money. And I look at these two cards together here. It's like, it's just brewing. It's brewing. He's brewing it up. He's getting ready to bring it to us. But he's really making sure that he has all of his T's crossed and his I's dotted here. So he's really working on this message about the money. So we're going to hear some new information concerning money. So let's move on. Wow, that's exciting. Let's move on to the Three of Pentacles. Okay, we have the Queen of Wands that fell out here. Now she's about wands are about movement again. This is going to be more movement as far as women go. They feel that the Supreme Court crossed the line in a sense and made it hard for them to get what they need. And so she is a leader, a woman of leadership here. She is, she has her wand there in her hand, and she's ready to make some things happen. So there is going to be a woman that's going to step up, that's going to maybe put some things in action. Now this could be concerning, there's a lot going on now. So this could be any of the things that are happening now. But I feel like it's probably the January 6th. This is what I'm getting. It's the committee, the January 6th committee. And these walls that have been put up by the people that came on the grounds and disturbed things on January 6th. The rioters. This is about a woman penetrating that wall that they have up. She's going to come in and she's going to penetrate that. So they don't have much longer to get away with what they've been doing, because she's going to come in, she's going to find out some things, she's going to use her magic wand to break down and penetrate that wall. This is what I'm getting here with this. Let me pull another card on that, see if we can get some more information on that one. Okay, Spirit, more information on the Three of Pentacles. Clarify more information, please. Oh, we have the Eight of Cups here. We have the Eight of Cups. This speaks about walking away or walking towards something. As she moves forward with the information that she has, people are going to be stepping away and moving toward I think more people are going to come forward with information. You know, they've been trying. She's gonna penetrate this wall here, which is gonna make others come forward. Now, because normally this card shows someone's back turned in a regular deck, back turned to the cups, but these people are moving toward the cups. They're not moving from it. They are going forward. So people are going to start coming forward. This is going to be very emotional for the public. So people are going to start coming forward with more information as they move along in July. So we're going to see that because she's going to penetrate that wall, and people are definitely going to show up and move forward. They're going to get more information. It's going to be very emotional information. So, wow. We'll see what happens with that. Now, I want to look at the Magician next, because the Magician, it's like, I feel like in this particular case, this is something that's going on that behind the scenes, or, you know, however you want to look at it, maybe in a metaphysical way, that things are happening that we can't see. And Spirit, give us more information. Can you give us more information on what is going on with that Magician, having all that he needs? But there is a force, it seems like, that is over that, you know, over everything, that's in charge of when to use things, how to use things, and that kind of thing. So give me more information, Spirit. What else can you tell me about that Magician? More information on that Magician, Spirit. More information. Wow. Okay, we have the Five of Pentacles here. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, there's when we talk about what I just said about that, some woman getting more people to come forward, and I'm assuming that's probably Liz Cheney. She's kind of over the committee, and I think that, like I said, more people are going to come forward. But here is, it's like they're taking people down. This is going to take people down. The Magician. That's one of the things that's being worked on there. You can see that there's a fallen person here, someone walking away with his head. So some people are, you know, with these testimonies coming up, people are going to bring others down. So it's going to be kind of, I think, like when I look at this, a domino effect that once it starts happening, it's going to continue. More and more people are going to fall. Okay, so let's take a look at this King of Pentacles. Who is this King of Pentacles, Spirit? What is he doing? What is the King of Pentacles doing? Okay, Judgment. Judgment jumped out. Okay, so this is like success over things that have happened in the past. So this is about, again, like a new beginnings, like we're at the end of something and there's a new beginning. So and I think this is about the money. The King of Pentacles, of course, he's about money. He's also about structure. He's a security, that kind of thing, very grounded. So I think that we're going to find maybe something about the money, and there is going to be probably a big revelation coming up concerning what's happened in the past with money, and how it's probably infiltrated the political system in some way. Now this could be about any of these situations, you know. It could be about the Roe v. Wade, or it could be the J6 committee. But we're going to find out some more things about money, and you know, how things were done in the past and how it has affected us all. Okay, the Three of Cups. Three of Cups. This is an emotional celebration going on here. Give us more information on the Three of Cups, Spirit. More information on the Three of Cups. And we have the Six of Cups here. This is the Six of Cups is about nostalgia, things that have happened, things, people wanting things to be the way that they were in the past. And I see here that yeah, it's like there is going to be men helping women. This may really change some things. I think that men are going to stand up and going to try to give women a hand when it comes to this kind of thing. When it comes to what's been happening. Of course, there is going to be people that are going to try to stop that from happening. You can see that in the background there is two people there at the top, or two subjects there at the top. One is, they're looking at each other like, you know, I'm sticking to what I'm sticking to. Of course, there's going to be that, but, and they look like they could be, well, one looks like a man, one looks like a woman. They look like they're ready to go at it. But here at the bottom here, it looks like, you know, males are going to step up to help females in this particular situation. Okay. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles. Now, there's more information that's going to come out about money in the month of July. It looks like we're going to get a lot of information concerning money. We're going to get information coming out as far as the J6 committee goes. There, more information is going to come because that wall is going to be penetrated and broken down by the woman, and we can look for some chaos to happen at the Supreme Court. There's a tower. They're going to have a tower moment in the month of July. So something major is going to happen at the Supreme Court. Okay, guys. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope that helps, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.